Okay, 72 Chevy C10, 2005 4.8 with a 4L60. My transmission will not shift out of first. It will shift to park. It will reverse. When I put it in drive, it stays in gear. When I shift it all the way down to first, it stays in gear. I'm assuming it's first. It might be second. I don't know, but it holds one forward gear. When I accelerate going down the road and I let off, it kind of coasts. And then when I give it a little bit more throttle, it will grab again. So I'm suspecting electrical issues. The code was P0713. Unfortunately, I didn't unhook the battery to check the plug. I do have, this is a HBI harness. I do have key on hot at the plug on the pink wire. I think it's terminal E, I think. But that's okay. Really don't know what the next step is. The fluid looks fantastic. I did put new fluid in it when I started. I drained it. I got a new filter coming, and we're going to refill it, and then we're going to drive it and search for codes. And then I'm going to probably end up reaching out for some help because this is going a little bit beyond my knowledge. I was told to check the TPS, so I will plug in my scanner tool and work the throttle and make sure everything's going. This is a drive-by wire setup. I did make a pedal. I mixed pieces and parts. I got a 5.3 computer with a 4.8 engine. I made a tune for the 4.8. The transmission tune, I didn't mess with it. It does look like it's all right. Oh, I do got to check my my VSS signal to make sure I'm getting speed. Maybe that's part of the problem. But I'm learning. This is not my expertise. Dealing with the tranny problems and the wiring harness problems, but this is how I'm going to learn. This is why I got this project, to learn what to do and how to do it. So if anybody has any advice on what I should search for, I am using the column shift, and it's got a neutral or a park neutral safety switch in it, so it only starts at park. And I'm only using this part of the shifter. I'm not using any electronic part. I don't know if that's a problem. I think I've got the plug in back here okay. The VSS plug is plugged in. So I do have a spare sensor. Maybe that sensor's bad. Not exactly sure. But anyway, searching for some help. Definitely would take some advice. The internet's good at bashing. I'll take the bashing too. But again, this is a project for me to learn how to do this stuff. Obviously, I do use the internet, and I've had a lot of suggestions. I don't want to just throw the parts cannon at it. I mean, I can start changing the harnesses and stuff down here, which it may be something I have to do. But in the meantime, I'd like to learn how to troubleshoot it and what to do with the tools I have. Maybe I do have to get a better scan tool for it, not sure. But anyway, this is where I'm at. 72 C10, 2005 4.8, and I'm getting excited about driving it.